Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome OS is current and backing up files so updates don't risk data. Next, enable Linux Crostini in settings under Developers or Linux Beta. This creates a VM. When prompted, choose disk size and a username, pick enough space for packages. Once done, open the Terminal app, that's your control center. You need root equivalent commands later, so make sure sudo works. This initial setup ensures the update steps that follow run inside a stable container. You'll update the package lists, then install upgrades. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to fetch and apply updates. Once that completes, use sudo apt dist upgrade if packages require dependency changes or kernel-like updates. This handles replacements safely. After success, tidy the system with sudo apt auto remove and sudo apt clean to free space. If you installed Flatpaks or snaps, update those too. Make sure each command finishes without errors. Before proceeding you finish by rebooting Chrome OS and then restarting the Linux container to apply kernel and service updates. This ensures everything runs with updated components. If the container fails to start, check logs with sudo journoctl z inside terminal and review Chrome OS diagnostics. Errors often indicate missing dependencies or insufficient disk. If files appear missing, restore from your backup. As a last resort, export the container, remove it, and recreate Linux, then import your data. Troubleshoot methodically, don't reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.